Todd apartments are located on the west side of campus within Todd Hall. They're in close proximity to West Side Dining, Selmo Park, and University Union. In Todd 2 bedrooms, the first bedroom will have standard closets with doors. Also, the bathroom within this bedroom will have a standard tub instead of a standard shower stall. The amenities in this bedroom will include the full-size bed, dresser, and desk with chair. Todd living rooms are outfitted with a couch and coffee table that must remain within the apartment. Kitchen amenities include kitchen table with 2 chairs, refrigerator, sink, garbage disposal, stove with range, as well as cabinets and drawer space. Within this bedroom, you will see the same full-size bed with mattress, dresser, desk with chair, and the wardrobe closet instead of the closets with doors. Within this bathroom, you will see this comes with a standard shower stall, standard toilet, as well as sink and vanity. Qualifications for Todd apartments include being 21 years of age or having 30 or more UCM accepted credit hours.